Hi friends, it's Mrs. T, and I have a book for you today called Now I Know Birds by Melvin and Gilda Berger. See the birds. Some birds are big. An ostrich is twice as tall as you are. And some are little. A hummingbird is only a little bit bigger than your thumb. Some are brightly colored. Some are dark. But all birds have feathers. Feathers help keep the birds warm and help them fly. And all birds have wings. But not all birds can fly. Penguins swim, but they can't fly. Ostriches run, but they can't fly. Birds eat lots of different foods. Some eat bugs, some eat berries, some eat worms, some eat fish. Most birds build nests, but not all nests are alike. Some nests are high in the trees, and some are on the ground. Mother birds lay eggs in the nests. Bird eggs are many colors and sizes. Usually, the mother bird sits on the eggs, but sometimes the father bird keeps the egg warm. Soon, the baby is ready to hatch. Crack! Here comes the baby bird. It has to work so hard to get out of its egg. The mother and father feed the baby. Baby birds grow very fast. The young birds learn to fly. Fly away safely. Bye, bird. The end.